What up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you, man. Hey, I just want to do this short video today. That's it, man. You see right now, man, it's about to rain out here, really bad. So we're supposed to get some severe thunderstorms tonight. But hey, y'all, I got the new headlight in today, y'all. It came in today. I wasn't expecting it at all, but it is here. But I'm gonna show you something that I have here from Hogworkz right here. This is the front fender cover right here, y'all. The front fender cover. If you don't have one of these, you need to get you one. If you wrench on your own bike like I do, I wrench on my own bike. So yeah, you definitely need to get you one of these and get it on the bike, on your front fender. It fits on the wraparound fender really good. And hey, I'm loving it. But y'all see the old Advan black light? It looks good in there, man. It looks really good. And I'm about to get used to the other light being in here though, but hey, I'm cool with that. But the light is in. Hopefully, I'm gonna get a nice video on it and show you what the light is and show how it needs to be installed. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this fender cover really quick. Let me put this fender cover on right quick. So y'all, I got the fender on here, y'all. Look at it. It looks really good. It fits well. I have a wraparound fender as well. So yeah, if you got a wraparound fender, you're good using this right here. And this definitely going to protect it, y'all. So make sure you go to Hogworkz, y'all. Hogworkz.com. Check out this front fender cover. I got a gas tank fender cover coming from them as well. So man, I want to thank Rob over at Hogworkz for sending this over, because I'm definitely gonna need it, because the new headlight is in here, y'all. This not it. It's in my house. It's here. It's here at the place. But yeah, we're finna pull the Advan black out, and we got a nice light on in here. It's gonna be really nice. So yeah, I love that look right here as well. I've been loving this look ever since I put it in here. But Khrome for the look a little different in the front. So yeah, let's get it started. But man, I just want to come over here and show you and let you know that the light is in. I wouldn't even expected it today at all, man. I wasn't expecting that light at all today. But the bar is here, and we're gonna get it in for you. Hopefully we get to shoot a video and post it up before Mother's Day, because you know your boy is going to East Texas. I gotta go show mom some love and love on her. It's her birthday. Also, her birthday is on the 10th. So yeah, so we gotta double up on things, this weekend. So yeah. But man, I want to just come over here and say, man, I appreciate you all, man. Hey, y'all, come on and get your boy to 5K subscribers. I'm almost there, y'all. Do you hear me? I'm almost there. Need about maybe, I think 20 and some more people, 20 or maybe 18, something like that, to come on over to the channel and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, but yeah, make sure you check out Hogworkz.com and go get this. And again, Rob, I appreciate you, bro. Love you, man. Thank you for all that you do and all that you've been helping me with on the channel, man. I'm grateful. I'm definitely grateful, man, because like I always say, people don't have to be nice to you, but man, I got some of these companies, I'm loving on them, they loving on me, and I really appreciate it. But until next time, baby, y'all already know, next grind, y'all stay safe, and go show your mom, if your mom is living, man, go show your mom some love. And if she ain't here, man, go show her some respect, go visit the grave site, man. Just think of all the good memories, you know what I'm saying? I got to do that with my brother on his birthday and all that kind of stuff. And I think about it daily. So yeah, that's a hard one, man. That's a hard one. If your mom ain't here, I'm praying for you, man. Pray for your strength, man. And that you make it through. Because my wife, mom, she's not here anymore. And we lost her a few years ago. But yeah, it's going to be tough for her, so I got to be here for her. And we're going to get through this, baby. All of us going to get through this together. Because that's what we do, man. We're here to be helpers to one to another, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's the way it got to be, man. That's the way life is. You show love, people show love back to you. You know what I'm saying? Respectful, they will respect you. So hey, man, don't go out there trying to be hard and talk crazy and cuss folks out. But man, just show love, man. That's all I can say. That's what this channel about: positivity, love, and hanging out with good people, man. So man, till next time, baby. The next grind, y'all stay safe. I love y'all, man. Peace.